we can attach a a grass cutter to. We can clear the ground clearance and all those stuff. So basically, that we are building one robot which can do multiple tasks. So. So guys, this is the robot. This is based on, this is working on Raspberry Pi. So yeah, this is the base robot we are building. We can attach all sort of attachments for this. We have to improvise it, and we can attach all sorts of attachments. So yeah, this is basically.
Okay. Autonomous. Explain about autonomous.
Okay, so does anybody know about autonomous vehicles?
Self-driving.
Anyone? Yeah? Yes.
The automatic driving vehicle.
What is it?
It drives by itself, which we don't have to do.
Give a big round of applause, guys. Okay, does anyone have implemented that type of technology?
Cars.
Which cars?
Tesla.
Tesla. Okay, how did he implement that? Does anyone know about it? Yes. So basically, there is a thing called OpenCV, or in Python we have OpenCV. We use algorithms to just track the camera and just as we have done a line detection robot. Yeah, basically we attach camera and train an algorithm, machine learning algorithm, and we detect things, objects like trees, ground, grass, everything can be detected. And based on those inputs, we just drive the car. So yeah, guys, that's basically the agro farm robot that we are doing. These things. So, to check the balance, there's a code, right? How many of you have used BSN cards? What's the code to check the balance? Does anyone know that? No? Okay, to check the number, it's *888# to check your self number. Basically, we have some STD codes. Okay. So what we are doing is we are training an AI model which can be fitted into that STD number. So if you just dial our code, we haven't set it yet.
No, they have 129. Number put it down.
Okay.
ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಅಥವಾ ಭದ್ರತಾ ತುರ್ತು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. PNR ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೈಲು ವೇಳಾಪಟ್ಟಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರಿಸುವನೆಂದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿರಿ. PNR ಬಗ್ಗೆನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ನ ಆಗಮನ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ 10 ಅಂಕೆಯ PNR ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ.
Just tell one random 10 number.
36947737721.
ಮೂರು ಆರು ಒಂಬತ್ತು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಏಳು ಮೂರು ಏಳು ಏಳು ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
Give me more profit. ಆ ಥರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. We can ask in Kannada. So, what is the advantage of this phone?
Voice.
This is cheap. Whereas the other phone, this is buy this phone rather than this, because their entire year income, most of them, the poor farmers, will have only 1 lakh. Then we cannot expect them. So we have to ensure everybody benefits. Imagine if we make this, even the rich people can use it. Not because if this is helping, why should you pay 1 lakh rupees? We are making Samsung rich. Is it not? We don't need this phone if I am getting all the services on this phone. So that's what you people have to think. What is the moral of the story? What's your name?